काढू. सेल्फी घ्यायची की फोटो काढायचा?
एक सेल्फी नंतर फोटो काढ. ये ना. उगं घेऊ नको.
It was a very good start for the new year. It's around 11 o'clock and I have started from Mumbai. I don't want to take the same route which I traveled, so decided to take a different route to reach back Bangalore. Now I am heading towards Ratnagiri via Ghatkambi and Ganpatipule. Hope I remember the names.
कैसे जाएंगे?
I got this stay for $1,200 and now I'm going towards Bhatia beach to spend the evening. Started early in the morning and reached Ratanduk Fort, and the infinite view from here is simply superb. I badly wanted to take my bike to the place which I saw from top, so I'm trying it now, not sure if I can. Finally found a way to reach here. It was a bit of struggles and little off-roading, but I'm happy that I reached here safely with the help of locals. It is a very beautiful place and the view from here is awesome, but the most disappointing point is people have littered this place like anything with plastic cups and beer bottles, and I request people, not only this place, any place wherever you go, please don't litter the place. Please leave it safe and clean for the people visiting there.
सिटी रत्नागिरी.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I was riding from Ratnagiri Fort to Sangam Hotel, and on the way back to hotel I saw Royal Enfield showroom, where I just went inside for a general checkup, and that was a very small showroom, and the number of mechanics I could see was only two, and they were working on the bikes. So when I went to the manager and told him that I was doing solo expedition and I wanted a general checkup, and he took my bike inside, asked the mechanics to come and work on it. Both the mechanics started working on my bike, left what they have already working, and they did the work from front to back, removing, tightening, change sprays, everything, and they asked me to go for a test ride. So I went for test ride and came back for and asked for the bill, and they told it is not required and wished me on my journey. I would say that was a nice gesture, and thank you Royal Enfield Ratnagiri. I'm going to ride through most beautiful roads of the Western Ghats. The most beautiful part is I would be seeing both greens and blues throughout the journey till I reach Malvan. Offline maps got closed. There is no network also. I think the real struggle starts now. Now the plan is to ride as close as possible to the coastal line towards south till I get the mobile network. Whenever I cross a bridge, I am started realizing that I am moving from one mountain to other mountain in the Western Ghats range. So the bridge in between is so good that I could see the backwaters, and for a straight view would be green mountains and the right side would be blues. Awesome. In Malvan. This is also motorable beaches in India, and the sunset and the ride on the beach is the best I could ever ask for. Malvan is very peaceful. I'm now thinking to stay here instead of riding to Konkan as per the plan tomorrow. Maybe I may change my mind. that scuba diving is very good here, so gonna give it a try now.